As a creative, I know how important it is to keep your teams on brand and to be able to hand off last mile edits. You want to have confidence that content created across teams meets brand guidelines. Adobe Express is the perfect tool for that. Protecting the brand is mission critical to driving business impact and growth. But without guardrails in place, it's understandable why creative professionals are reluctant to have content teams developing assets or campaigns indirectly. But with Adobe Express, marketers can now work with brand-approved templates to fast-track their campaigns. With template locking, you can empower your teams to stay on brand. Lock specific elements of a template to enforce those brand guardrails, allowing users to edit other parts of the design. You can relax knowing your content will stay on brand. Speaking of staying on brand, it's easy to make sure your content is always on brand with Adobe Express. Building a custom brand kit for your team puts your brand's fonts, colors, logos, and more at your and your team's fingertips, ready to drop into any design with a click. As well, Adobe Express's integration with Adobe Experience Manager allows you to easily build content with company assets like brand logos or videos, pulled from your digital asset management system of choice. There are also integrations with Dropbox, Box, Google Drive, OneDrive, and others. You can create your own branded templates and share them across the organization. Update images. Remove backgrounds. Edit copy. Add animations. Or shorten videos. Features like auto-translate will make it possible to adapt language for multiple markets, creating variations and sizes in one click for different social and web channels. Best of all, if you're a creative who wants to use your favorite tools like Photoshop and Illustrator, you can. No need to recreate these assets. Simply bring existing Photoshop or Illustrator files into Adobe Express and you're all set. Resize assets for any platform in mere moments. Keep your team on brand, hand off those last mile edits. Adobe Express makes it easy to add collaborators with permission to edit or comment on your project. You can also make your design a template. That means more time for you to be creative and no last-minute stress. Adobe Express is the one-stop creative app, no experience required. Here's a template that you can remix and experience all that Adobe Express has to offer. Happy creating while staying on brand, of course.